Are you tired of dealing with unwanted pigmentation on your face? Do you find yourself constantly trying to cover up dark spots and uneven skin tone with makeup? Well, I have some good news for you. There are natural ways to remove face pigmentation and achieve a more even complexion. The first step in removing face pigmentation naturally is to exfoliate your skin regularly. Exfoliation helps to remove dead skin cells that can contribute to pigmentation and dullness. You can exfoliate your skin using a gentle scrub made from natural ingredients such as sugar, coffee grounds, or oatmeal. Simply massage the scrub onto your skin in circular motions, then rinse off with warm water. Another important step in removing face pigmentation naturally is to protect your skin from the sun. Sun exposure can worsen pigmentation and cause dark spots to become more pronounced. Make sure to wear sunscreen with at least SPF 30 every day, even on cloudy days. You can also protect your skin by wearing a wide-brimmed hat and sunglasses when you're outside. In addition to exfoliating and protecting your skin, you can also use natural ingredients to help lighten and brighten your complexion. Lemon juice is a popular natural remedy for pigmentation, as it contains citric acid that can help to lighten dark spots. Simply apply fresh lemon juice to your skin using a cotton ball, leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse off with warm water. Another natural ingredient that can help to remove face pigmentation is turmeric. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can help to reduce pigmentation and even out skin tone. You can make a turmeric face mask by mixing turmeric powder with honey and yogurt, then applying it to your skin for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing off. Aloe vera is another natural remedy that can help to lighten pigmentation and soothe the skin. Aloe vera gel contains enzymes that can help to fade dark spots and promote healing. Simply apply a thin layer of aloe vera gel to your skin and leave it on overnight for best results. In addition to using natural remedies, it's important to maintain a healthy diet and lifestyle to help improve your skin's overall health. Eating a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can provide your skin with the nutrients it needs to repair and regenerate. Drinking plenty of water can also help to flush out toxins and keep your skin hydrated. Lastly, it's important to be patient when trying to remove face pigmentation naturally. It can take time for natural remedies to show results, so don't expect overnight miracles. Consistency is key. Make sure to follow a regular skincare routine and stick to it for best results. In conclusion, there are several natural ways to remove face pigmentation and achieve a more even complexion. By exfoliating, protecting your skin from the sun, using natural remedies, maintaining a healthy diet and lifestyle, and being patient, you can help to fade dark spots and achieve a brighter, more radiant complexion. So why not give these natural remedies a try and say goodbye to unwanted pigmentation on your face?